What would it take to derail Nvidia's growth path in the next 5 years? Confidence has stalled a bit recently, maybe because the market sees Broadcom as a threat, which is probably not the case. What would need to happen to really make Nvidia not a fantastic growth business?
Yeah, the market has stalled a bit. It's probably digesting some of the valuation premium, which is healthy. What would completely derail Nvidia? I had spent a fair amount of time thinking about this, and I think we've stated this at times in the past. Let's maybe restate it again here, specifically to Nvidia. What tends to derail a business that has cornered a market or created a new market and taken a very wide technological lead is one of two things, or both things. First, the company makes a big mistake when a new technology pivot happens in the future. Or second, the market just completely shifts out from under that business and a new company kind of corners a new technology or competing technology, which is like what Nvidia did to the old CPU business in a way. They shifted the market out from under Intel and AMD, and now it's like a divide and conquer situation in a way. So I think that is typically what happens based on history to a fast car. If we just keep using the same analogy, a business and a technological lead, they usually make big mistakes, or they just miss a market opportunity, or a combination of both. Sometimes they're very related to each other. So that's probably what would derail Nvidia as a growth business. It's not going to be something as simple as a cycle, though, where maybe there's some elevated inventory for a time and the market needs to digest that inventory. Obviously, that would affect the stock price. But if we're talking about the business itself, a cycle is just normal. So that wouldn't necessarily derail the business. It would more than anything just create a really great buying opportunity, if anything.